You just got a new cat? Well, a huge congratulations is in order. Now you need a name. Well, we are here to help you find that perfect name from some of the most all-time favorite names people give to their cats. These classic names are super popular and make great names to suit your cat's style and feistiness. Make sure to let us know your favorite name in the comments section. Alright, let's get started. Up first, popular female cat names. This list of popular female cat names hosts some of the most classic names people give to their kitty cats. Let's see if any of them make the cut. Millie, Misty, Honey, Missy, Luna, Holly, Ruby, Princess, Lady, Brandy, Lucy, Bella, Ginger, Sasha, Sadie, Lola, Sugar, Gracie, Lassie, Angel, Stella, Daisy, Beauty, Amber, Fluffy, Zoe, Penny, Nala, Molly. Popular male cat names. Before we get into it, make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our weekly name videos. These male names are some of the most classic names given to male kitties. You're sure to find a winner in this list. Oliver, or Ollie for short. Leo, Simba, Milo, Tigger, Max, Felix, Smudge, Sooty, Charlie, Alfie, Oscar, Lucky, Brownie, Bailey, Hunter, Bear, Scout, Bandit, King, Toby, Cricket, Sparky, Chase, Roxy, Cooper, Duke, Whiskey, Marley, Rusty, Blaze, Teddy, Spot, Harley, Milo, Samson, Rex, Rocky, Coco, Patches, Shadow, Rufus. Classic unisex cat names. This list of unisex cat names are timeless, super cute, and are very popular choices people use to name their cats. Buddy, Lassie, Pepper, Spot, Bingo, Chance, Shadow, Brownie, Cookie, Teddy, Daisy, Scooter, Sparky, Coco, Agnes, Noodle, Bubbles, Honey, Whiskers, Boots, Socks, Beast, Pikachu, Winston. If you like what you see so far, subscribe and give us a like. Hit the notification bell so you're notified anytime we upload. Up next, classic food-inspired cat names. Food is a very popular inspiration when naming pets. You could choose your favorite food or a cute-sounding food name like pecan. This list may make your mouth water. Enjoy! Oreo, cappuccino, wasabi, mango, mocha, kiwi, cookie, sprinkle, Tito, Moki, clementine, ginger, maple, pepper, pickle, waffle, chip, miso, peanut, patty, butterscotch, Cheerio, Godiva, Kit Kat, Nella, Truffle, Cheeto, Java, Olive, Sushi, Cheddar, Meatball, Ranch, Cocoa, Pretzel, Bun, Radish, Turnip, Pumpkin. Classic, cottagecore, and vintage names for your cat. The cottagecore aesthetic trend has been on the rise since the pandemic. If you love the old-fashioned ways of life, these names bring an elegant vintage vibe to your new kitten. Violet, George, Mabel, Henry, River, Shepherd, Aurora, Oakley, Willow, Winnie, Sylvie, Archie, Jane, Royce, Clara, Franklin, Adeline, Lewis, Harriet, Winston, Evelyn, Eugene, Ambrose, Autumn, Arthur, Louisa, Jane, Billy, Fran, Donald. Classic cat names inspired by patterns. Whether you have a tabby or a Bengal or any type of spotted cat, these pattern-inspired names will provide great inspiration for your name hunt. Swiggles, Stripes, Swirl, Burberry, Patchy, Spots, Speckles, Freckles, Gingham, Zigzag, Paisley, Plaid, Checkers, Camo, Chevron, Argyle, Velvet, Fuzz, Blotchy, Ziggy, Piper. If you're still on the fence with the name, not to worry. Check out this popular video where we go over nature-inspired cat names that are calming and warm. Perfect choices for your cat. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you're new to our channel and you like it, please subscribe.